Would you like to know how to get 2 shirts in Animal Rivals? Well, I'll show you. So the first thing you're gonna wanna do is go over into Salty's store. Then you're gonna want to go over to the shirt, and then there's a free shirt right here. Now the second one isn't free. It costs 200 gold. You're gonna wanna go into the shooting range. Yes, I know, very weird. Then you're gonna wanna go over here, scroll until you find the katana, and then you're gonna wanna go. You can take the long route, but I'm going to go what I think is the short route. So you go up here onto this tree, then wait till this reloads. You double wall onto this tree or use your katana. Then you use your katana to get up onto this tree. You jump onto this tree. Then you use your katana to get up here. Then you use your katana to get up here. Then wait till it reloads. Then you use your katana to get up here. It's 200 gold. It's like a shooting range shirt since we're in the shooting range. But yes. Why do I have slow falling? That is so weird. But yeah, that's how you get them. I'm saving up for the shooting range shirt because I'm naked. I have 2 shirts, but I don't want to wear them. But yeah, bye. And also, if you want to, you can like and subscribe. You don't have to, but bye.